Aristotle said, "We are what we repeatedly do." From childhood, I always followed routine. I used to get upset when I had to break the routine. Back then, I never understood why I was so comfortable, or I was extremely eager to follow routine when other kids hated it so much. Now I know the answer: the autopilot mode. Once you set routine, you always know what to do next. You don't struggle to find out your task or what is your goal for this month, for week, or for days. Life become extremely easy. Back then, I used to follow routine to make my life easy. But now, I follow routine to become best version of myself. So in this video, I will tell you the basic rules of setting routine. The main reason we follow routine to complete our goals. So before creating routine, write down your yearly goals, then monthly goals, weekly goals, and daily goals. Then make routine according to your daily goals. Like every day, I have 3 major goals: professional work, household chores, and self-care activities. Your priorities will be totally different than mine, so whatever it is, write down your yearly goal first, then divide it into daily goals. I have divided my day into 3 parts: morning, afternoon, and night. And accordingly, I set my routine. Like in the morning, I try to finish my shooting or work for brands, basically my professional work. Then in the evening, like from 4 o'clock, I feel like little bit tired, so I prefer to do my household work, like cooking or cleaning my houses, etc. And at night, I like to do self-care activities like journaling or meditation and spend time with my husband. This works perfect for me. Now you need to understand your structure, and accordingly you can plan your own routine. Your routine should be perfectly balanced between your personal life and professional life. When you will give equal time to your both life, your routine will be more enjoyable. Being a workaholic, I always gave preference to my professional life. My life was never balanced. I never had time for my hobbies, my families. I always used to feel suffocated and tired. Routine is supposed to work for us. It should improve your life, not make you feel tired. So add some good fun or relaxing or me time to it. To make perfect routine, you need to break the routine. Means when you do same work day after day, your life become monotonous. So you need to break that. For me, it is Sunday. I wake up whenever my body feels to get up. I sometimes order food from outside. There is no rules, no routine. After moving here, I started going to coastal walk. Or sometimes when it rains, whole day I watch Netflix. It helps me to love my routine more. When I take break on Sunday, I feel more excited about Monday. So you can select any day as no routine day. So this is how I make my routine. I hope this video will help you to build your own perfect routine. Thank you everyone for loving me, supporting me. Your lovely comments always bring smile on my face. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.